Instagram ads. Now you can advertise on Instagram through Facebook's advertising platform, which gives you total control over your Insta ads. You can target how they appear and who views them and post directly from your own Instagram account. There are 5 types of Instagram ads you can run through the Facebook platform, and these include photo ads, video ads, slideshow ads, story ads, carousel ads. With your Insta campaigns, you should have 1 or a max of 2 of the following objectives in mind whenever you set up an ad. Choose from growing your reach, raising brand awareness, gaining more traffic to your website, getting people to download your app, encouraging people to interact with your content, getting people to view your videos, generating leads, getting conversions. Don't try and hit all these objectives in one ad, as you'll likely only be ineffective in all areas. By focusing on just 1 or 2 objectives per ad, your impact will be much more potent.